Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to see three different types of stacks in SwiftUI. So let's start. So we'll create one new project and we will name it as stacks. Let's save it on our desktop. So in SwiftUI you have three types of stack views. One is VStack, another is HStack, and the third is ZStack, or you can say ZStack. So I will create three files using SwiftUI. Let's name first one as ZStacks. Let's create one more. Let's name it HStack. And the third one is ZStack. Okay, so let's start with VStack. So if you have watched my previous video, you must know that VStack is used to place the views vertically. So there are two different ways to add VStack. One is press the command button and click on this text. So you will get this drop down menu here, and you have option here to add or embed VStack. So what it will do is it will add this text view inside this VStack. So see, like this. Or you also have an option here where you can click this plus button and you can search for VStack here, and you can just drag drop it here, or you can drag or drop here also. So like it's like that. Okay, let me just do this. Okay, so this is VStack, and you can place different views like this, and it will place vertically. So like this, and you can also add different shapes here, like I can add circle, and it will push both the text views on top and bottom, because this is a push out view. So all the shapes in SwiftUI also called as push out views, which try to take the maximum space they have. So these text views reach to the end, so that's why they stop there, and it will take all the place in the circle. Also we have different shape, like a rectangle I can pass, and again rectangle is also in push out view, which will try to take the maximum space available. So yeah, like this. So you can see that text, circle, then rectangle, and this all are in vertical manner. So let's now see how HStack works. Again, press the command button and click on this text and embed in HStack. HStack is horizontal stack, where your all the views inside the HStack will be in horizontal manner. So this is how it is. Let's create this time again one circle shape, and see, it is placing your views horizontally. So this we can add some spacing, or you can say padding, to your stack views, which will add little bit space, so it will look better. So this is how HStack works. Now the last one is the ZStack, where ZStack basically generates or calculates the depth. So if you click again here, and you can see there is no option to add ZStack, but definitely you can add ZStack from here, which is also called as depth stack. So it is basically placing your views on top of each other. So let's add it like this. Okay, and now you need to just copy paste, just cut paste to here, or there is one more way. Let's undo this and I can tell you. So if you click on this text button command and click on this, you can embed it in any of the HStack or VStack, and then you can rename it. So like this also you can do it. So here, to see how it is placing, so I will take one example. Like you can use ZStack to give your view and background color or background image or any shape you want to place in the background. So that time you can use ZStack, and ZStack works in such a way that the view which is at the top will be further back, and the view which is at the bottom will be the furthest forward. So let's check. So what I will do is I will put a rectangle here, so it will take the complete space and it will turn black, so you won't be able to see this black text on the black background. So what we can do is we can fill the color for our rectangle shape, and I will give it a color of secondary, which is light gray color. So now you can see that rectangle is at the back and your text view is at the top, so that's why it is showing like that. So what I can do is I can place one more text here, and this time I will say my name, and what I can do is I will add a color to this so that you can differentiate between the two text. I will say it as, let's give it red color, and there you can see it, the red color text is on top of black color, so it's like that. So this is the ZStack use. You can also put place images. So let's take one example. Let's remove this and let me give it a black color, and let me just increase the size of this so that you can see it properly. Font of large title, okay, and I will use one image, and let's use the image of the system image, and you can use here suppose clock. Then you can see here, let me increase its font dot large. So yeah, you can see that the clock is there behind this text. So let me remove this so that you can see it. There you go. So this is the use of ZStack, where you can place your elements on top of each other. Basically you can use it, mostly you will use it for giving the background color or a big background image if you want to give to your view. So that's all about today's video about stacks in SwiftUI. If you have any doubts, please comment. Thank you.